Hi everyone, this is Daniel. Say hi, Dan.
Hi.
Daniel is 2 years old, and since he's been born, he had a slight condition of eczema, specifically on the back of his arms and his face. If you look on his left cheek, you'll see the raised bumps right over here. That's what he tends to get right there. Right, Dan?
Mm-hmm.
What are they, bumpies?
Yes.
Yes. Do they hurt?
Yes.
Okay, Daniel, we're ready to show another video. So before we showed the bumps on his face, you'll still see them there. We're gonna be using, again, the ECZEMA Honey Soothing Facial Cream. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our 2 fingers and just lightly place them in there. Rub them in. And then you can see very lightly, we put it on Dan's skin. And we can rub it in everywhere because it makes his face also very, very soft. You'll see there's bumps on this side as well. And then we rub it on top. So you can see after about, I'd say 5 minutes, you can see the bumps already clearing up on the left side of his face. There we go, Dan. And the right side of his face. You can see his skin is nice and shiny and hydrated. Dan, you're excited about the ECZEMA Honey?
Yes.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
So guys, what's great about this product is it is water-based. It has some leaf extract, some coconut oil, and aloe. So very soothing on the skin. What's great is too, it goes on clear, even though it has a small amount of coloring to it. That's white. It doesn't leave any residue. It's really great all natural product. Okay guys, so overall our review for Danny, he's been using this for a few months now. We use it on his face, on his arms, back of his arms. He's got some small cases of eczema. What's really great is that it has completely diminished a lot of his bumps, keeps his skin nice and clear, very soothing. He likes the way it feels. What do you do after we put it on? We go, ah. You like the way it feels? Yeah. Say goodnight.